So today I'm cutting up another box to make the lid. So first I make one pass, then I get some the trouble here catches on my zero clearance plate, which I later after this video fixed. So small fix was just a little done at the end of it. So now I've done all but one side. So I go to grab my blue painter tape and put it over so it holds the box in place to do the final cut. So you can get the lid. You can see the zero clearance plate pop up again. I'm really glad I fixed that after. Just making sure I'm cutting the last side here. And there we have it. Lid for the box. In the next video I will show you how to install the hinges. Thanks you for watching. I hope to see you again.